Hello guys, today we learn how to import data from multiple Excel to multiple tables using SSIS. For this you have required SQL Server data tools for Visual Studio 2015 or SQL Server data tools for Visual Studio 19. Need one Excel Server instance and multiple table Excel sheet which have data. Now let us see one pictures like there is SSIS, and you can see here left side different Excel sheet like implied Delhi, imply Mumbai and imply Punjab. Now let us consider I have a company and they have three branches in Delhi, Mumbai and Punjab. They stored the data there and put a file, daily file in a locations which can be accessed through the network. Now our aim is transfer the data from Excel to different tables like table 1, table 2, table 3. It may be based upon some condition, so data will transfer in correct tables. So there is one conditional split component in SSIS means data transfer in multiple destination based on a specific condition we will use here. Now let us see. First open Visual Studio. Now go to File, New, Projects. Name of the project you can put like import data into SQL. Now click on OK. So our project will be created and you can see import data to SQL and there is SSIS package.dtx. You can rename, also you can rename it. Now go package. In package there is control flow, so need to put data flow first. So I have put data flow tasks. Now when you click on data flow tasks on double, so you get data flow and here you need to put source and destination and need to configure. So let us see other source. Our source is Excel source and destination is OLED LEDB destination. So I have put both like Excel source and OLED destination. Based upon the source and destination data will be transferred. First let us see this and configure it. Our Excel source is this. Double click, new, browse. Our file location is employee location and there is three files like employee Delhi, Mumbai and Punjab. First you need to select only one like employee Delhi and click on now OK. Name of Excel sheet means first. Now go to columns, error, connection machine. Now also you can see the preview what data we have like employee ID, name, employee location and salary. Now click on OK. So Excel connection will be configured. Need to map it OLED destinations and also need to configure OLED EDB destination. So click on new, delete, put new, name of the server name you need to put here. Go to properties, put your computer name, your server name, what you have. Now also you can put IP in server name, user ID and password. Stretch this so that it is visible and select DB test samples and test. Click on test connections. Test connection succeeded and click on OK. OK. Click OK. Now click on select the table where do you want to import data. So already I have created a table employee daily tables. You can see script of table like employee daily, employee ID, employee name, employee location, and salary. So I have clicked and now there is no data. Also need to mapping. So you can see mapping will be done. Okay. So our source and destination will be mapped and configured also. Now you can see whether a simple Excel to source to destination data will transfer or not. Let us see. After that we will go further. Click on start and done. So you can see 3 rows will be transferred. Check the database. So you can see here rows are theirs. Now truncate 7. So you can see here you have transferred data from Excel to destinations. But you know there is 3 files. So need to transfer all 3 files data to SQL. So what we will require? We have required for each loop container. So drag in this for each loop containers and put the data flow talks in it. So whatever files in that folder it will take and one by one data will be transferred. So let us see. First need to map it for each loop container. So double click on it. So there is collections. In collection you can see enumerator for each file in enumerators and there is expression. Before going this configure it we need to add one variable. Click add one variable. Here define the folder path. So we can put here like variable name input folder location. Also need package and data type strings and need to put here value. So for which value location copy this and put here locations this one. So our value input folder location has been created. Now need to go for each loop container and double click on it. Now go collections. In collection you can see enumerator and expression. Go to expression, click, double click and go to properties. You need to take a directory and then go to expression. For directory drag and drop into expression and click evaluate expression. So you can get file locations and click on OK. So our directory of file location will be configures. Now go to variable mapping. In variable mapping need to create new variables means input file name. You can put file name and click on OK. So you can see here user file name 0 index. Go to collection again. Now folders. United configuration for need to folders. So go to folders where I have test and employee location. Click on OK and choose name and extension. Our extension is XLS. So variables and expressions. Now this is OK of configurations of for each loop and click on OK. Now let us see what will happen. So you can see in bottom variables file name input folder location. and there is no data. So run it. Whether it is working or not, let us see. You can see for each loop container, and when you double click data flow, Excel shows and destination. So whatever data will be in a folder will be transferred into SQL. Now run the application. So you can see data will transfer three times and three rows, one by one rows will transfer. Let us check the table implied heading. Now here you can notice, like in one Excel sheet like 103, Raj Adam Soya, Raj Adam Soya and Ram Adam Soya. Only one data of Excel will transfer into table three times. But we have three Excel sheet. So need to configure so that it will take each Excel one time and other Excel second time and third Excel third time. Let us see. For this we need to go connection manager, right click and go to property. For the, you can see there is expression. To get all the Excel file, need to configure it. Let us see how can we configure. Go to expression and click on this. Go to property and Excel file path. Defining the Excel file path, go to expressions. For Excel file path, what you have take? Folder name plus file name and click on evaluate expression. So it will take the data dynamically one by one. Here is full path and click on OK. So after setting this, it will take all the folders Excel file and transfer data from one by one. It will be dynamic. So due to dynamic, it will define getting the error. So for this, we need to put delay validations. And also when you will go on data flow tasks, also you get the error. So go to properties and put delay validations. Now save it and truncate all data. Check whether data is present or not. So let us see no data. Now run the applications. So you can see here our package will run successfully. Now let us check whether we have data transfer or not for all files. Now select star from employee daily and click on this. So you can see here all Excel file data will be transferred like Raj, daily location, Siva, Sonu, John, Raju, Mumbai location, and John, David, Joseph, Punjab location. So here you will see that each file will be transfer data into SQL. But now here need to implement based upon a specific condition, data will go in different table. How can we do that? Let us see. Go to data flow tasks. There is Excel sheet. Now there is one task conditional split. So you can see there is conditional split. Now delete this mapping. Now before transferring data into direct O as destination, let us put one conditional split. Now, map data source to conditional split. So, now go to conditional split and put the case where you want to transfer the data. Like, go to column name. There is a condition, means imply location. Like, imply location equal to what is, means first you consider Delhi. Put here Delhi. That is first condition. Output you can take like Delhi. Now, based upon second conditions, take imply locations and put a conditions. Like what condition? Mumbai. So put here Mumbai, and output name you can put here like Mumbai. And third is Punjab. Take a conditions, put imply location. Based upon location, you can transfer data in different tables. So case 3, and you can put here name like Punjab. So you have defined three condition in split, conditional split, and now click on OK. So you can see here this OLED destination will be configured implied daily. It's okay. Now map this to this one. So what will be output based upon daily? So choose daily and click on OK. Now let us add one more destinations like only destinations and also one more destination because you have three destinations. So there is three destination. Now again map conditional split to this one based upon what? Mumbai, and click on OK. This will be condition with specific condition. Mumbai also need to configure these destinations like what table name, imply Mumbai, and map it and click on OK. Again there is third like map it condition Punjab and OK. So you can see here need to configure third one only DB and it is Punjab. So our table name is Punjab. I need to map it and click on OK. So you can see here from source using conditional split based upon a specific condition, data will transferring to three different tables. Now check all the tables whether they have data or not. We have data in three different tables, so need to first delete the data kit again. So there is no data in these tables. So you can see here we can configure all the source and destinations. Now run these applications. So you can see all data will be transferred successfully and get the sign of success. So need to check. Here you can see one thing, Punjab 3 rows but Mumbai 0 and Delhi 0. It's not a matter. It will store only last data. So in already transfer, it is already transferred. In third case, no transfer, only third case. This Punjab data will transfer. Now let us see and click. So actually we get the results like which imply have a location Delhi. data will transfer employee Delhi table and which employee location Mumbai data is transferred into employee Mumbai table and which employee location have a Mumbai, not Mumbai means Punjab. So Punjab data will transfer in employee Punjab table. So we have achieved from different three Excel sheets based upon specific condition, we transfer the data through conditional split into three table in SQL. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.